Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Annie J, and today I wanted to do a really quick review on some new eyelashes that I have purchased. This is the first time I've actually filmed without having any lashes on my eyes, which I'm not going to lie, it feels very strange and foreign to me. But what I'm going to do is I bought quite a lot of new lashes from AliExpress. Cost of a pack of 5 is the equivalent of about just under £2, okay, for a pack of 5. So the eyelashes that I will be reviewing in this video, I will provide all the details in the description below, and the eyelashes are coded ML25. Now I don't know if you can see that. No, it's getting a bit of reflection. Okay, but these are the eyelashes. I actually bought about 70 pairs of eyelashes for the equivalent of about £29, which I think is fantastic. So the eyelashes that I bought last year, I bought in October, and I still have a few pairs left, and I actually bought 30 pairs of lashes that time. These lashes, I believe, should last me just well over a year basically, and I really like this company. Every video I've recorded, I've always got eyelashes from this company on. If you haven't seen my tutorial on how to apply strip lashes, then I'll also provide the link to that in the description below. So let me know what you think of these eyelashes. If you think you would buy them, watch this space and I will be right back. Okay guys, so these are the eyelashes. I was showing you ML25. I really like them. They are quite full. They've got quite a bit of body to them. Now, they're probably not, I mean, you could wear them every day, but I would say these are more going out eyelashes. So these are from AliExpress. If you do like them, I will provide a link to these lashes in the description box below. I've ordered them from the same store I ordered my 30 pairs from. Now, like I mentioned, the 30 pairs that I got, I paid just under £10 for them, or just over £10, and they have lasted me since October last year. I wear my lashes for like about a week or just over at a time. The way I maintain them is by cleaning around my eyes, so I don't get water directly onto them, but I do use, like, I've got a small face brush that I use, and that's what I use to clean my face. And when I'm using my soap and everything, I do go around the eyelashes so that I don't get them wet. Yeah, they have lasted me for quite a long period of time. I do feel like it's worth it, even though my description will contain affiliate links, and if you do go ahead and purchase, I will get a small commission. The company did not ask me to review these. I decided to review these of my own accord because I used to pay to get individual lashes, and it used to cost me about £50 at a time, and they would usually last me for about 3 weeks. So this for me is more cost effective because, you know, if I'm paying just over £30 or just under £30, I've got 70 pairs of eyelashes. That is going to last me for more than a year. So I will review another set of eyelashes. Like I said, these lashes are the code ML25 that I was showing you previously, and I will be reviewing lashes that are a bit more day wear. All the lashes that I've purchased I will review. So if you are interested, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you do purchase a set yourself, do let me know how you find it, and I will be back again with you guys soon enough. Bye.